Hey guys, what's up? My name's Giuseppe, and this is Giuseppe Builds. A little bit of a YouTube name update thing. Wanted to be a little more personal. Anyways, what video you have just clicked on and what you're about to watch is really cool. It's from my personal school community. It's from the first member that I've had in there. So pretty much what she was curious about was she wanted to start building websites using Claude. As you may have seen, I have a video where I create a website in 30 minutes using Claude. It's a WordPress website, and she wanted to make it for herself. So we walked through. We soon found out that she didn't have the right software that she needed to get started. So we actually go through the steps of setting up Claude Code properly on a MacBook Air, I believe it is. Anyways, it's all here. Follow if you want to join the school community, if you want to join one-on-ones and get one-on-one teaching, or if you want specific lessons and Loom videos tailored specifically to your question to answer exactly what you're looking for, join the school community below. I do that exactly. And without further ado, let's get into it. See you in there. I'm writing down your questions as we go because I think it's extremely valuable. I really do appreciate this. So I'm gonna just keep track of whatever we go through, and that way I can turn that into videos or whatever. The future. Go ahead and share your screen and let's get started. So pull up in your terminal. So command space, type in terminal. Here you go. This is gonna be where you hang out from now on. Oh. So here are the steps. First of all, where do you want to make this? So where do you store your stuff? Do you have an external hard drive now, or do you keep it on your main computer, or?
I just keep it on my main computer, but if you think I should buy one of those external hard drives, I will.
I think you should. My vote is to do it. If you just go into the bottom dock, just type in Finder. That's fine. And go to your desk, click on your desktop. There you go. And now this is your desktop. This is like the files behind what's on your main screen there. Right click and just make a new folder and just type in website, no capitals, no spaces, just website one. When you're using code, for whatever reason, spaces are extremely difficult to manage. You have to use like backslash and then something to replace just a space, which is a big pain in the butt. You don't want to do that. So click into website one and now right click and click get info. See this? So you see where it says iCloud desktop?
Mm-hmm.
Right click that. Oh, maybe a little copy path name. There you go. Now we're going to go back to your terminal. I'm sorry that this is so involved, but what we just did there was we need to get the location of where the folder is. And then we're going to open that in your terminal. And then we're going to open that, and then we're going to work in that folder.
No, this is awesome. I appreciate you.
Right. So now what you're going to do is you're going to go CD, type in CD, and then space, and then paste. There you go. Click that.
Oh,
now,
I pressed enter.
Now
okay.
We're in to your desktop, and now we're going to go one more. You're going to go. So CD is like how you go into a folder. We're going to go CD, and you're going to type in space website one. Click
and then
enter
hit
again.
Enter.
There you go. Now we are in website one. We're now in the folder that we just made, which is exactly where you want to be, right? All the work we do, Claude is going to know that all of your work is going to be in here. I'm going to send you a link in the chat, code setup wizard, and you're going to just grab the URL.
This one?
Copy it, go into here, and you're going to go git, G-I-T.
Type in git.
And then space, clone, C-L-O-N-E, space, paste. There.
Or it's return on Mac.
Oh, sorry. It is. I'm on a Mac as well.
Yeah.
No developer requesting install if developers are located. Oh, use sudo Xcode installation dialog. That is so weird. So we're going to skip. Normally that works. There's something we need to install here that isn't like working. So I think it's just from here, we're just going to type in Claude, and then we'll do the dangerously skip permissions. So.
Oh, wait, if I don't have Claude Code installed, it's not going to work, right?
Oh, do you have Claude Code?
No, I only have Claude Desktop, not Claude Code.
Oh, well, if you have Claude Desktop, you have Claude Code. I believe.
Do I have to have it open?
No. So
okay.
Well, actually open it anyways. I'm going to show you how to use Claude Desktop. There you go. Open Claude. And I think I might even be able to find it for you.
Oops.
There's a command. So go into your normal Claude and just start fresh chat. It's fine. And just type in, I want to install Claude Code onto my Mac. What is the command that I need to use? There you go. Okay. It's just like that. There you go. Here's the step. So now your copy. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to open a new terminal. So go to the terminal page that we have and just click Command N. There you go. And this is just like, you see how it says Melissa's MacBook Air? This means we're on your general computer. So this is where we're going to do all of like installs and stuff. Okay. Now follow those commands from there. Now copy and paste the first one, brew install Claude. That's just at the top there, the brew install Claude. There you go.
Copy this and then paste it here and hit return.
Yes. Okay. There's no brew. So a little bit of problem solving here. Copy and paste that entire one on the right, your terminal. Copy that whole thing. And now put it into that chat with Claude and click enter. There you go. Okay. And so it understands what the problem is and it's going to solve it for you. So now copy and paste that first one.
And put it here.
Put it there. Type in your personal, it won't show at all. It doesn't move. So you just have to remember it off of by heart, what your password is. But when you type it in, it won't show me what it is. It's just going to only be the key.
Where do I type it?
You're typing it right now. It doesn't, because it's a level of security, the key stays there and it doesn't show. If you click enter
and then hit
return.
Enter.
Sorry. Try again. So you missed a.
What is this password for my computer?
Let's see. Yes. Probably your login computer. Press return again. Look at you. You're coding.
It's a little scary.
That's super fair. It's got to download all of this. So we'll let it download. This is the boring part, I guess you could say, but also pretty fun. Hey,
super cool.
Look at you.
Ooh.
Woohoo. Installing. So now it's installing all of the code that you need. And so I'm going to grab you some more code too, to make your life even more fun. Because I have some code that I think you're going to appreciate. That'll help save you a little bit of time and hassle. But yeah, I have this set up where mine's in dark theme. So, because the white is like too bright for me, it irritates me. But that's a different setting. If you want to change that, we could talk about that too. But it's just a couple Google clicks. So mine is all black. I'll show you an example. But I'll show you another time. I'm just downloading everything. So this was going to have to happen either way, because you need to download this stuff in order for your computer to like maneuver through these things that we're going to do. Prompts.
Oh, some more stuff is happening.
So your computer is getting a huge upgrade right now, just by the way. All of this stuff is helping your computer to be a lot more effective for you.
Oh. Okay,
it's done. Great. Now let's go back to over here on the left. It says step 2, after Homebrew finishes installing. So copy and paste that too now. What did it say? So copy and paste that last bit there. No, from the terminal, sorry.
Oh, this, and send it here.
There you go. You're like, hey, this didn't work, or it usually works just like that, but there you go.
Now install Claude Code.
There you go. Copy and paste that.
I'm not gonna download a virus, right?
No, this is no, you're all good. Don't worry. I got you. If it was happening, I would tell you. Okay. I'm very invested in your success right now, just FYI. So I'm gonna make sure that this goes well for you no matter what. This is so fun. It's 100%. Okay, so it's installing all the stuff. What you will have to do, and I'm going to turn off my screen recording for this, but you will have to go in there. It seems that there's an app, Claude app. So just copy and paste that whole last section and put it in there. Just say, hey, it looks like it's.
Oh, and then copy and paste this.
Because like whenever it doesn't do exactly, like if it says that there's an error there, so just paste that and send it right in and just see what it says. Sometimes, there you go. You're making it work for you, essentially, right? Is the idea. It looks like you already have the Claude desktop app installed, which is the interface application, but you're trying to download Claude Code, which is the command line. Try this command. There you go. So sometimes it needs a little bit of clarification. So paste that in there. This is a lot of what vibe coding is. I'm not even kidding. So let's do this. Just go into the chat without this stuff. And we're just going to say, hey, look, we just want to install Claude Code onto my terminal. It seems we're having onto my terminal. What is the command or what is the next step? Because I think it's getting mixed up. So I'm also going to do some of my own research here on the side.
What is NPM?
So it's, NPX.
PM.
So that is like I will tell you right now, actually. NPM, right?
Oh,
NPM.
Node Package Manager.
Yes. So do that. So you'll probably have to install it. So check it, paste it, and then try the next one. So click that in. Just send all of that back in. Hold on. So it says, by your operating system, it's likely that you do not have permissions across this. If you click command, like the plus equals sign, it'll make that larger so you can read it easier in the terminal. So click in the terminal and click your command plus on your keyboard a couple times. It'll make it a lot larger for you. So it's kind of easier to see and read. There you go.
Got it.
I'm old, so mine's quite large, but for you, this is great. So it's saying, where is it? Just copy and paste the whole thing into there and just say, what's the solution here kind of thing. Perfect. There you go. So it's sudo npm install for you. Because there you go. Your password again, it's protected and whatnot.
Oh.
There you go. Now we're cooking. Okay. Now try typing in just Claude and see what happens.
Oh.
Yeah, let's go. So I like dark mode because I don't like bright things, but it's up to you. However, obviously all of your stuff is white. There's no wrong answer, but it's just up and down with your button directional pad, your arrows, and it shows you at the bottom there an example of what it would look like. I think Anstey's a little.
I'll put it in dark mode.
I'll have to click enter again. It looks like it's. Do you have a Claude account subscription? Yeah, you do.
I think I canceled it. I could sign up again.
Research includes Claude Code. That's the one. That's good. Visa's protected. I just stopped the recording anyways, just in case I didn't want anything coming through.
Woohoo!
Great,
Okay.
You're in. Now it's going to Cloud account with subscription. Click enter or return. I'm just going to say enter. I'm sorry. I know it says return.
No, it's fine.
Now copy and paste that whole URL. You're going to put it into
in here. Okay.
authorize. And there you go. Copy the code.
Oh my God, it's so weird. I can't see.
It's really weird. We got to change that. I'll find the code to change it for you because that kind of sucks.
I can't see where it is. Ooh, this is crazy.
You're cooking now. Let's see if I'm going to find this. So I'm just going to hunt down some information for you so we can get this set up. User friendliness is, okay, type in login successful. Just press enter in there. There you go. Press enter
again. Okay.
And then hold on. For the optimal coding experience, enable recommend settings in your terminal. Option enter for new lines and visual bell. That's interesting. Click option enter and see what happens. Let's see what this is. It's different for you than it is for me. Weird. Yes, you trust the files. You're in. This is it. Welcome back. Click a slash button, the question mark slash. I just want to see what commands come up. There you go. You see that? So this is what you have available. So go down to, you see it, config theme. Mm-hmm. That's your configuration. So let's D-pad down into a couple more. One more. There you go. Enter. Theme. There you go. Go down to theme. Click enter. And now we're going to change it. Go to light mode. There you go. So this is where you go to click output style too. Go down a couple more. Click it again. So I like the learning or explanatory because it explains to you what's going on.
Which one should I do?
For you, I would say learning. And then your model, go down to model, click that. And we're going to go to haiku. It's just going to save you a lot of tokens. You're going to get more done without waiting. And then click escape. There. You are coding now. You're coding. It's a real thing. Let's go. Awesome. We're cooking. We're so cooking. Here's the next. Sorry, excuse me. Now we're going to do the git clone again, where we started. So all of this to get you set up and started, right? So I think the URL is still in the chat.
Right here.
So I'll pin that so it's immediately available. And now you're going to type in, actually, you're already in this. So hold on. Before you go anywhere, hold on. This is what we're going to do. We're going to do something a little weird here because there is some tools that I want you to have. I want you to paste this. I want you to say, here, I'm going to paste this in the chat. It's a little prompt. This is going to install the Playwright MCP server.
Just paste that here and then hit enter.
I see you're trying to configure Claude Code with haiku model, learning output style. I'm ready to help you. I think it's just like your first one. It's like, hey, I want to install the Playwright MCP. Here are your instructions. Or yeah, just click it again. Would you like me to install, configure it in your Cloud settings, test that's working?
Install, right?
Yeah, we're going to go install it globally and configure it and then run a quick test. There you go. We're going to get you your first MCP.
Woohoo.
And it's free. And it does a lot of work. It's great.
That's awesome. Oh, yes, and don't ask again.
There you go. Yes, and don't ask again. So you can see it's like trying to work through it, but it's getting like denied. So it's trying to find other ways of installing it. So just yes and don't ask again, or just keep smashing yes when it comes through. It's not a big deal, but it's trying to figure out how to install this thing properly. And it's always like kind of toughest the first time around. There you go. Oh, you need this other stuff. Yes, allow all edits during the session.
Oh,
Allow full access. Oh, photo library. That's weird. Yes.
I don't use Apple Music.
Terminal allow. Definitely. I don't use Apple Music either. Yes.
I like YouTube Music though.
I have YouTube Premium, but I haven't really used YouTube Music.
Oh, I love it.
Is it good?
I think so.
Interesting. Click enter again here. Well, I'm down to check it out. I'm quite curious.
What kind of music do you like?
Shit. What? That's a great question. I've been getting I listen to a lot of just lo-fi while I'm working. But if I was to pick a song at random right now, it would probably be like, I don't know. I guess a lot of it is stuff for exercising and working out. So I don't know. What do you listen to? I feel like you're like a Taylor Swiftie, something like that.
Definitely.
Why not? I heard she's the greatest or something. No, not so much.
She's okay for happy stuff. Maybe like
she has a vibe, and when you're down for that's the vibe.
But no, not normally. Not.
What are you into then?
I like EDM. I like classic rock. I like alternative.
I used to be a DJ in university, and I was like a resident DJ and all this kind of stuff. So I was really heavy into the EDM scene. You know deadmau5?
Of course.
I followed him across Canada in my younger years when he was just starting, and his stage was literally a fold-up table. And if you go on YouTube, if you look up deadmau5 wears Canadian flag or something like that, I made a Canadian flag and I put the deadmau5 ears over and his face over it with like a tinfoil mouth and eyes. And we threw it up to him on stage and he wore it over his head. And this is like before he got big because he was just on a fold-up table. Now he has like whole like, thing and all this stuff. So I was like, I've been around for a hot minute. Let's just say that.
So my husband and our first date was at a deadmau5 concert.
No way.
And that was in 2012.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
Fuck, that's awesome. So that would have been that would have been on his first album, I think, right? Ghosts and Stuff? No, it was plus equals 4 times 4 equals 12, I think is that one, right?
Something like that.
That's a long time ago. That's okay. Well, I got to check. Hold on. Let's keep this going though. Activate, restart. So it's going to often ask you to just restart the server. All you have to do for this is just type in the word exit, click enter. And then, so Claude always remembers its last conversation. So there's a trick here. You don't have to use it. So type in Claude. And then if you go, just to save us some time, I'm going to send you this. This is the command that I use. Claude dangerously -permissions, and then -c is the continue, and the dangerously skip permissions saves a lot of time instead of clicking yes all the time.
And enter.
And enter.
Yes, accept.
Yes. There you go. So now, right, last Playwright, because we want to make sure that this works, right?
Claude is so funny. It's like moonwalking.
It says like flipper debating and stuff. It does like a bunch of around Halloween, it was saying like spooking, all this fun stuff. There you go. Allow.
It has like its own personality.
It does seem that way. It's really funny, and it learns you a little bit. Here, it's installing all of this stuff. There you go. So what this is going to do, the reason we're doing this is because what we want to do is we want to Playwright allows Claude to open up websites on Chrome, and then it can look at the website as a screenshot, and it can look at the code. So that's the point. Great. Your Playwright is not fully functional. Let's go. Just be like, is it global? Just ask if it's global. Good question. Let's check if it's truly global. Not in global command. Of course not. I knew it. How dare you lie to me? Tell it to just, hold on. We're going to install another MCP. I think it's called, where is it? I think it's called Desktop Commander. Let's see if I can find this. Hold on. I'm going to paste you another command here. So just tell her. So what we're going to do is the MCP can be run from anywhere via npx, Playwright CLA, Playwright npm. So what we're gonna do is copy and paste that npm install -g playwright. Just copy that line there, a little lower, right there. Copy that whole thing. And now click Command N just to open a new and paste that right in there. There you go. Now exit.
Oh, exit this?
Like sometimes you just open it, just like run a quick command, and it's just like, hey, we're just going to make sure this works. Exit that. And now be like, I installed this globally. Can you confirm that? Confirm that it's working. Perfect. We're up. Let's go. The next thing you need to install is called Docker. Do you have Docker installed? Probably not.
Don't think so.
Just pull it up on another tab in Chrome and just type in Docker download. There it is, Docker desktop. And it should be a quick download Docker desktop. There it is. Just click that. And I don't know which chip you're on. What year is your?
It's new.
What year is your MacBook?
I think 2025.
Oh shit, let's go. That's an awesome one.
So it's, what is this one?
Silicon or Intel? I'm just going to confirm. It is Silicon. Click the Silicon and that should get going. That'll be fine. Did it work? It's happening. It's going to take a hot minute. That's fine. Now, so what we've done is we've installed Claude locally. We've given you like cool MCP that will help you navigate stuff that you build. And now what we're going to do is let's get this website started for you, something that you're excited to build, because that was kind of the point. We only have 15 or so minutes left. And then obviously we can chat online or we can have another meeting later, but it's kind of, this is going to get going. And so we're going to do two things. I want to see if actually I have that installed as well. I'm going to see if there's a Docker MCP. No. And is there a, so now go back to your go back to your lab there. So now this is where you're installing things on your computer as a whole, which is awesome. Now what we want to do is we want to go into that project that we did before. So do you still have the other terminal open where we were into that website one?
Yeah, the other, maybe not.
That's fine. Just click Command T. There you go. And now we're just in another tab in your terminal. It's however you like to work. If you want it in another window, you can just drag and pull it out too. Like you can drag that as well if you want. Now what we got to do is we got to go into your website one that we had, right? So remember that icon when we copied and pasted it on the left there, it's like the website one info. Copy that. Go into here, type in CD. Go. Oh, CD first. What does CD stand for?
The CD and then paste that, right?
Now we're going to go git clone. Oh, GIT.
Oh, git clone.
Because it's a git clone. There you go. And now you're going to paste that with a space, and then you're going to paste that. It's in the chat still at the top. That wizard. Paste that and click go. Hey, we're cooking. Now what's happened is we've installed that as a folder. And we did website one before. We can change the name, whatever, in the future. But what we're going to do now is we're going to CD into that. So it's, if you copy, it says cloning into WordPress Claude Code Wizard there at the top. So you're going to CD into and then paste that like CD space and then paste that like WordPress Claude Code Wizard up a couple. There you go. It's just easier to paste it than type it.
Yes. So paste it, enter.
There. Now you're in the Claude Code. So do you have any questions?
No.
Because I'm here to answer your questions. If you have questions, I'm more than happy to.
I appreciate you.
Cool. Now you're going to launch Claude into this. So now you're just going to type in Claude from before, dangerously skip permissions, enter. Oh, there's no -C. So paste that again because there's never been a conversation before. So you just confused it. Like, we haven't met before. What are you talking about? Great. So now we're going to do something a little to save you some tokens / make things happen a little easier. We're going to go GitIngest in another tab in your Chrome. So open Chrome, just behind there where the GitHub is. Crack open a new one and type in GitIngest. Ingest. There you go. Click that.
This one.
Yep. And now you're going to paste that git clone thing, not the git clone part, but just the URL. Put it in there.
Which URL?
The one that I pasted in the top of our chat there. Sorry.
Oh, paste this in here.
And click ingest. There you go. Now click copy right there. I'll go into this Claude and you say, hey, this is the project here's a summary of the project we are in. I want you to spin up a simple we're going to spin up a WordPress website together. We're in. Let's make a simple WordPress website together.
And paste it, and then paste this.
Paste the whole thing. It's now when you paste something large, it doesn't look like it's doing anything. It's just thinking. I spam paste a bunch of times and I was stuck for like a hot minute, just like nothing happened. I was very upset. And then there was a lot of things. While this loads, let's go and make sure that Docker, click enter. Let's go make sure Docker's downloaded.
It's done.
Yeah. Open that up, click that. Now so what Docker does is it drag that into there. Beautiful. What this does is it gives Docker a local place to do its work. So sorry, it gives Claude a local place to build the website. It's kind of weird hold on. How do you explain what Docker does? Because these are questions I should know, but so it's called containers are a virtual machine, it's operating system. Cool. So let's see what's this. So we're going to go to number 2, I guess, or just hold on. It looks like Docker is installed in your system. Let me ask you a question. So just go down to the number 4, just type down to number 4 on the D-pad. There you go. And type in, I just installed Docker. Use Docker CLI tools to open it and see if you can launch. To open it and see if you can launch on it. Or submit one more time. So I just needed to find Docker first. Oh, try opening Docker in your desktop too. It sometimes makes it a little. Oh, just open Docker yourself. It might be, had to do a bunch of verifying. Click open. Yes. Accept. Yes. Type in your password. It doesn't show anything. Yes.
Does this matter or?
I don't think so, but it's good to have, I guess. Just like want to deal with it in the future, right? Because Docker isn't online. It's just for you. It's like a safe space on your computer that is just for you. So this is it. So you don't have to have this open. You can just like shrink it or exit out of it. It's kind of just going to be running. Just shrink it. And now go back into your here. And I don't know. So I don't know what you want to make. What do you want to make? What do you want to try making?
Oh, no. I've been making sites for clients. Let's make a site for a client.
So we're going to go down to number 4 and just be like, Docker is now installed. Just spin up a basic WordPress setup in Docker and submit. Here we go. There you go. It's cooking. You're cooking. What are you building websites on right now?
So I was using Bolt.
Oh, Bolt DIY or whatever?
No, I'll show you. It's bolt.new, and it doesn't like when do you ever have this problem where you have to open something in an incognito window, it won't load?
Yes.
That's so annoying, but this is what it looks like.
Yes, I've seen this.
But I have existing clients who are on WordPress where like maybe I just want to add some pages or add some blog posts, and I would like to do that like Claude instead of like traditional way.
You have clients on WordPress and you would like to add posts and pages with Claude instead of the traditional way. Do you have access to their hosting?
Yes.
What are they hosted on?
Most is Hostinger.
This is doable. I'm not sure how doable that is because it wasn't built on there, but we can test it. And we can test it in a safe way, which is really cool. Do you have, so now that this is going, okay, good, as ongoing, the Docker container is being downloaded and extracted. This is normal. The build will complete in the next minute or so to finish properly. So if you see here, the WordPress is HTTP. So if you copy and paste that local host there into, just like that, you can copy and paste that into a tab. And it's going to show you basic of, let's see what it came up with. So you click in English, continue. So this is the classic WordPress install. You can just put in test. It doesn't matter. This is only local. And then your email could be like, doesn't matter. Your normal email, I guess, just in case, and install WordPress. There you go. Log in. There you go. And it'll just test. And then your password, whatever it threw in there.
Oh no, I don't know.
Oh no. Well, the username was test. So type that in.
This is how you make the sites in here.
Yes. So you can see. So now what's happened is the website that you're building, if it didn't save, that's fine. Just click. Well, you can tell Claude. Oh, no. Tell it to reset it quick. Just be like, hey, reset it. Give me an reset the WordPress password. So it'll just go through and do this for you because it's all local. So it's essentially a walled garden where you can, now you're building a WordPress website and Claude is directly just like doing the work for you as you request it into the site.
I love that.
What would you like to do next? Oh, here you go. They gave you WordPress stuff. There you go.
Oh, perfect.
So the username is test, and then
Got it.
and the password is admin123. There you go.
Woohoo.
There you go. It does not like your password. That's fine. You don't need to save that. So here's what it is. So this is like WordPress backend is now created. And so now you've officially started your WordPress website. Everything is now installed. I'm sorry. We didn't really get to like actually building the stuff, but like are started now. So it just, I guess this was bound to be like first step because we had to get you started. But for example, so if you go to the top left test, just like open up the normal site in another tab, or sorry, no, in your Chrome there, and click, see where it says test on the left. There you go. Click visit site. Yes, theme directory does not exist. Go to appearance. Hold on. Nothing's really been, so there's no front end yet. If you go to appearance and themes, my custom theme, click that one. That's the one. Activate. There you go. Now have a look at the front. Try opening it again. There you go. Very basic, very simple, nothing crazy. Now, something you could do here that's pretty easy to do is if you wanted to set up a site, right? Like a site that is like another site, pick a website that you want to mimic and then put it in there as a command prompt and be like, I want you to build our WordPress site to look exactly like this one.
And then give it the link.
So this prompt is, we're going to go build a WordPress site to look like this. And then hold on, say, I want you to think this through top to bottom. I want you to spin up and use agents, which would be specialized in different parts of the site, of the build, which would be specialized in different parts of the build. And I don't want you to come back to me until it is done. And then use the Playwright MCP to help you wherever you need. And then just type in ultrathink at the end.
Is that one word or two?
One word.
That's it.
See what it does there?
Ooh,
Yeah.
magic.
Now click enter. Here we go.
And Google Meet says it's going to kick us off of here.
It's about to kick us off. This was a great first meeting. I'm super pumped. I will look into, I'll write up some commands and prompts for editing your current website stuff as well. And I understand, do you have anything else you want me to dig into? Is that the main thing, is just understanding how to edit live WordPress sites?
And make them, which is super helpful.
Yes.
And then I'm excited to learn Google Ads from you as well.
Sick. 100%. Google Ads learning. Cool. I love that. Super down. So what this is going to do, you can message me on School. I'll have it open. I'm just working from my computer today. I think I'm probably just going to go on live anyway. So I'm happy to chat with you there as this goes as well. But just let this go. You can see it's going to be doing a bunch of work. Feel free to shoot me like screenshots in School of like this admin panel or whatever it is. And I'll try to keep up with you and talk you through how it's doing. But it should be explaining it. And if you don't understand what it is, just ask clarifying questions. It's there to help you, right? And we told it that you're learning, so it does know. But on Haiku, you should be saving credits. On Playwright, that's free. You're using agents, those should be saving credits as well. And you can always check with, if you go into the other tab in the thing there, type in /usage, USAGE. There you go. So that tells you how much you're using of everything. That's your budget, right?
Perfect.
So you'll know when you get to the end, and then it'll force you to take a break. But you are on Haiku. It's a cheaper model. You should be like chilling. You should be pretty good.
Awesome.
And then we'll see where this tab goes, and then we'll have a look. It's going to do a lot of work right now to build that out. So
This is so exciting.
I'm super pumped for you.
Thank you. I appreciate you so much. Do you think it's better to build these websites in WordPress like this, or use something like I showed you in Bolt?
It's whatever you're comfortable with. If you're comfortable with Bolt right now, and like that's kind of where you're at, and you just want to dip your feet over here, that's fine. What's going to happen is, if it's easier for you to work, this is essentially the same thing. We've set you up your own Bolt. So This is your own Bolt. I don't know, are you paying for Bolt right now?
Not a lot of money, but yeah, it costs money.
So we've essentially set up your own Bolt locally. And what it does is, this is that command, this is the side bit here, and Docker is setting you up your WordPress over there. So for the same price or kind of less, you have a tool that can do more than Bolt without paying for Bolt. So, for example, if you were to put this, you could set this up to look exactly like how Bolt looks. You just put this to the side, and then you put your website to the right side. And for all intents and purposes, you have Bolt. So it's kind of the same thing. If you're more comfortable with Bolt and like just need to get shit done and that's how you're good with, by all means, Melissa, you do you. But we've just created now your own local Bolt.
Awesome. This is so exciting.
So if you have any questions, obviously I'm on School, shoot me one. And I'm going to start to fill out the School a little bit. I've changed my YouTube name and whatnot as well, kind of getting that going. I still highly suggest that you get a external hard drive. You do have a new MacBook Air. So I don't think were your old videos on this MacBook Air that you were doing?
I think it was an export setting that I didn't have it set to the highest quality.
I do believe that, first of all, set it to the highest quality. Second of all, I do think that to preserve your MacBook for longer, having all that work happening on an external drive is safe. It's safer. It keeps the longevity of your thing. Anyways, we're going to get cut off. Congratulations. You had a great day. Nice to meet you. And shoot me a message, and I'm down to chat whenever.
Thank you. I'm so excited.
You're going to do great. I'm super pumped.
Thank you.
Bye, Melissa.
Bye.